We're here with the Connecticut National Guard SCSU Female Athlete of the Week, Zoe Fanolis. She had the game-winning goal in Southern's 4-3 win over AIC on Saturday. And Zoe, let's start off. We'll look back a couple of days. How important was it to start conference play with a win against AIC?
I think it was really important for us to get our first win in the NE10. I think it gave us some confidence to move us forward to our next games.
A little bit of adversity for the team during the game, trailing at some different junctures, tied obviously late before your goal. Talk about the character of the team battling through some of that adversity and still being able to pick up the victory.
I think we came out really strong, and then they ended up tying it up, but I think we showed that we were really strong and were able to get ahead again at the end.
And then lastly, just walk us through the sequence that led to your winning goal.
We scored on a corner. It actually came out a little slow, but one of our freshmen was able to get it over to Bailey, and Bailey was able to get it over to me, and then we were able to end it and finally score with 40 seconds left.
All right, thanks. Congratulations, Zoe.
Thank you.
We're here with the Connecticut National Guard SCSU Male Athlete of the Week, Dieter Gutbrod, coming off a second-place individual performance out of more than 300 runners at UMass Dartmouth this past weekend. Dieter, let's start off with that. Can you give us an assessment of your individual performance for the opening weekend?
Yeah, I was really excited about this race. I had a great race plan with our coach, Brian Nill. He told me to stay with the front pack for the entire race and for the last 600 meters or so to just let it all out. And I really felt really great about that race. The guy in front of me, who came in first, was only in front of me for maybe 3 seconds or so and just snuck by to get the win. But I thought it was great. We've been doing some awesome training this semester, so I can't wait for our next meet.
As you mentioned, first meet of the year for the team, 13th out of 43 teams. Your assessment of the team's performance this past weekend?
I think we did awesome. It was a great start of the season. We've been doing really hard workouts. Last week we had an amazing tempo for all of us. We hit great times, and then we had an interval workout for 600. So the guys are really keeping up with our paces and our times, and we're doing great. I can't wait for the next meet.
All right, thanks, Dieter. Great job.
Thanks.